today. Welcome to Gigi Law's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make some dessert, okay? We're making steamed corn cake, okay? And we're gonna use a coconut, a mắc how, not too young, not too brown, just right, okay? And then if you don't wanna work too hard, you can use this one. It's stripped for you already, okay? Okay, and then you use a corn about like that, okay? And then you're gonna have a sticky rice that's soaked about 2 hours or overnight. So I soak mine overnight, okay? And you need a brown sugar, coconut milk, and salt. So you're gonna need one of this steamer, okay? Peel all the corn, okay, out from the, shell here. Let's get started, okay? You have to save this, okay? That's what we're gonna use, okay? Peel real good, and I already clean it. Okay, let me finish all this, okay? Okay, บัดนี้เรามาทำการผ่าบักพร้าวเนาะขันแม่นไผ่ไม่รู้จักผ่า that's how you open the coconut. A lot of people ask me. Okay, see. This one is a little hot, but if they're fresh from the garden, they cut easier, okay? They open easier. This one is from supermarket, so see? Nice and soft. And what you do with this when I'm a little girl? And what you do with this juice? This is very good, very, very good juice. When I was a little girl, I asked my grandma, can I have water? Coconut water, then I would do this. Sườn chai miếng lองxin mừng đó sạch. Wow. Okay, let's cook. Okay, that's how you julienne your coconut. Then you want to slide your corn like this, okay? Here I save the coconut and corn, these two, okay, save that. And then I have coconut milk and soaked sticky rice, salt, sugar, and corn here, okay? So I'm going to blend these together. What I do, I go ahead put my coconut milk here first. Okay. And then sticky rice. All the sticky rice in there. Then corn. Then I blend it real good. Okay. Finish. We're gonna go ahead put corn, the stretch corn that I did. Okay. Put all in here, and then coconut, stretch coconut. Okay. Salt. And sugar. Okay. I put brown sugar here. Okay. And mix everything together, and now put the cream in there. The cream mix that I mixed. Okay. Now go ahead. Use your hand, work it in. Hom high. So you want to mix it well until your sugar is melting, okay? What I do, I cut the corn shell.
No.
Just cut like that. Put in here. ให้มันหอมเนี่ยมักหน่อยมักหลาย like that, okay? Put in, that's what we do. Then I do this kind. I mean, it just take time, okay? Have to be 3 pieces. 3 pieces, okay? Then 4.5. Cover over like that. Then you want to get one more good sheet. Put on top. Cover up. But you wrap however you comfortable, okay? But I like this style. It's work for me. Okay, I do this kind first, and then make sure your steamer is really hot, okay? And then you go ahead and lay it out. Now some people like it like this. It's easy to serve. Make sure you have some space. Make the second layer. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna steam about 20 minutes, okay? And let's take a look later, okay? Okay, it's about 20 minutes now, right? Smells so good. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, yum. See? ห็นหน้ามันติดกันไว้นี่ตัวนี้ทั้งเทิง so you have to wait until it's cool down a little bit okay I'm gonna go ahead take it out from the heat this way and wow take a look at this one turn off the heat there you goโอเคเขาก็มาจัดเพื่อความสวยงาม Okay steam corn cake finished yes หอมเห็นปะมีเวลาลองเห็ดเบิ่งเด้อ it's very good this recipe is my grandma recipes is the old fashioned way okay so they can find anything at the they land they farm you know they get coconut the corn and everything the sticky rice that's how they make it okay so try it it's หอมอีหลีมันเป็นเมาเล็ดลองมึงเด้อทูตามากโอเคหอมซีมเห็นบ่เหนียวหอมเห็นบ่กินฮ้อนอันนี้สูตรโบราณหอมข้าวเหนียวหอมมักเตยหอมมักข้าวหอมพามโคโคนัทแซ่บเข้ากันอมล้อมโชกุกันใช่เหนียวเห็นบ่เหนียวดีกลิ่นหอมเห็นมะกอกเขาที่ออกสลีห่อกล้องบ่ให้มันติดถ้วยงอนแล้วแซ่บลองเบิ่งเด้อ okay see you next video okay and make sure you subscribe alright see you next time bye bye ลาก่อน bye